you will have students and how much lessons you gave, how much you earned, how much they paid, and who owes, student owes, or I owe. If you owe, you will also see how much lesson is that by the last price. You will need to enter data into lessons and pay, and you will have these two reports, earnings and debts. This is debts, and earnings is how much you earn each month and also how much you earn versus your goal. In this case, this is dummy data, and you see $50,000 is goal, and this is how much of this goal was earned for this month, current month, and for the last 6 months, average versus this goal. Next, if you have this in mind, you will only need to enter this data and double click and date, name of student from drop down, service, price, and pay type will be pasted automatically. Next, if the student paid, you just click pay. If this is prepay, for this case, you will also need to enter payments in the second table.